Hello, welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry class. I hope everything is fine. आज के क्लास में अल्कोहल पे ही डिस्कस के लिए आए हैं। पिछले क्लास में हमने जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट अल्कोहल, फेनॉल एंड ईथर तीनों कंपाउंड्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। तो आज हम मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल मोनोहाइड्रेटिक अल्कोहल की डिटेल स्टडी करनी है, जिसमें कि इसको किस तरह से बनाते हैं, इसकी केमिकल और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या है। तो आज का टॉपिक है मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। Now this is today's topic. Yes. Now, come on the topic, general methods of preparation of monohydrate alcohol. First, by the hydrolysis of haloalkanes with aqueous alkali or moist silver oxide. Haloalkanes undergo hydrolysis when heated with aqueous sodium or potassium hydroxide or moist silver oxide. The hydrolysis occurs by a nucleophilic substitution reaction. RX, this is haloalkane, reacts with aqueous KOH solution. When heated, it forms alcohol and move KX. This is the KBr, KCl or Ki. For example, ethane or ethyl bromide reacts with aqueous KOH. When heated, it forms ethyl alcohol and potassium bromide. This method is not satisfactory for preparing alcohols because haloalkanes are themselves obtained from alcohol and in higher halides. The alkenes are formed as side products. However, satisfactory results are obtained by using moist silver oxide. Moist silver oxide is silver, hydroxide is known as moist silver oxide. Now, iodomethane, when treated with moist silver oxide, AgOH, it forms methanol and AgI. The method is applicable for the preparation of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol, but primary alkyl halides gives good yield of alcohols, while tertiary butyl halides mainly give alkenes due to dehydrohalogenation. This is the tertiary alkyl halide, tert butyl bromide, that is 3-degree carbon is here. Reacts with aqueous NaOH solution, it forms isobutylene CH3C double bond CH2. इस तरह से this is the major product and NaBr and H2O. This is the tertiary alkyl halide, and secondary alkyl halides give a mixture of alcohol and alkene like this. This is secondary alkyl halide, isopropyl bromide reacts with aqueous KOH solution. When heated, it forms propanone to all this type of alcohol. This is the secondary alcohol and propene. Hydrolysis of 1-degree halides proceed by SN2 mechanism, while those of 3-degree halides by SN1 mechanism. The hydrolysis of 2-degree alkyl halide may proceed by SN1 or SN2 reactions. Now, hydration. Now hydration of alkenes. Alkenes are absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid. Alkenes are absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid, forming alkyl hydrogen sulfate. These undergo hydrolysis with boiling water or steam and forms alcohol. This is indirect method for hydration. This is the ethene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. It forms ethyl hydrogen sulfate. When this ethyl hydrogen sulfate is boiled with H2O, it removes H2SO4 and forms ethanol. Like this propene reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms isopropyl hydrogen sulfate like this. And when this is boiled with water, it forms propane to all. The overall process is the addition of water to double bond. This is known as addition of water to double bond. Double bond. This is an industrial method. जो अभी ये method देखा दोनों reaction. This is an industrial method for obtaining alcohol as alkene are obtained in large amount during the cracking of petroleum. तो इस प्रोसेस के लिए एल्कीन हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? From cracking of petroleum. Except ethyl alcohol, no other primary alcohol can be prepared by this method, as the addition of sulfuric acid follows Markovnikov's rule. Generally, secondary and tertiary alcohols are obtained. Alkenes may also be directly catalytically hydrated in presence of dilute acid. This is the alkene. Propene reacts with H2O in presence of dilute H2SO4. This is marked addition. It forms propane to all. In hydration, sulfuric acid and not HBr is used as a catalyst because the sulfuric ester, which is also formed, can easily be hydrolyzed. Now, another example is here. This is 2-methylpropene. This is isobutylene. This is the iso and its secondary alkene reacts with water in presence of acid. It forms 2-methyl propane to all. This is third butyl alcohol. 2-methyl but 1-ene. This is when reacts in presence of ether, it forms 2-degree carbocation. This is unstable. Second degree कार्बोकेटायन अनस्टेबल होता है और ये 1,2 हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट कहलाती है. उससे ये 3 डिग्री कार्बोकेटायन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, जो कि मोर स्टेबल देन 2 डिग्री कार्बन कार्बोकेटायन. व्हेन इज हाइड्रोलाइज इट फॉर्म्स 2-methyl butane to all. Now, intermediate is 2-degree carbocation that can change to more stable 3-degree carbocation by 1,2 hydride shift. Now, mechanism of this reaction. The mechanism of acid catalyzed addition of water, that is hydration to alkene, involves the following 3 steps. Now, first step is electrophilic attack by hydronium ion. Hydronium ion presence in water. Now, the electrophilic attack by hydronium ion H3O plus on alkene give an intermediate carbocations like this. H2SO4 gives 2 ions, hydrogen sulfate ion, HSO4 plus H plus, and here H2O reacts with H plus to form hydronium ion like this. Formula of hydronium ion H3O plus. Now propene reacts with hydronium ion. This is HO3 plus, yeah, H3O plus. This is the slow reaction and forms 2-degree carbocation like this and H2O Here, oxygen contains two lone pair of electrons. In second step, nucleophilic attack by water on carbocation to yield protonated alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol carbocation 2 degree it reacts with H2O and this reaction is fast and forms a protonated alcohol like this. In third step, deprotonation, loss of proton loss हो जाता है to form an alcohol. This is first reaction. This is protonated alcohol reacts with H2O. It forms propane 2-ol plus hydronium ion. There are two indirect methods for the addition of water to alkene. First, oxymercuration, demercuration. This is known as oxymercuration or demercuration. Mercuric acetate CH3COO whole twice Hg. In presence of water tetrahydrofuran solution react with alkene to form an adduct alkyl mercury compound like this. Alkene reacts with mercuric acetate in presence of water and tetrahydrofuran. This is the tetrahydrofuran and this alkene reacts with water in presence of these. It forms hydroxy. इस दोनों ऐड हो जाएगा OH यहाँ पे और HgOAc hydroxy alkyl mercury compound. The mercury compound is reduced with NaBH4 in basic medium when alcohol is formed. Addition of water occurs according to Markovnikov's rule. This reacts with sodium borohydrate. It forms this type of compound. The examples, but1-ene reacts with mercuric acetate and THF and H reacts with H2O in presence of THF. It forms this type of compound which finally when reacts with NaBH4 it forms butane 2-ol. This is two-step process is called oxymercuration reduction or oxymercuration demercuration and forms alcohol. The second method is hydroboration oxidation. Diborane C2H6 is an electron deficient molecule. Therefore, it acts as an electrophilic and reacts with alkene to form trialkyl boranes, which upon subsequent oxidation with alkaline H2O2 yield alcohol. The reaction is here. This is the diborane C2H6 or it is written as 2BH3. Now, ethene reacts with B2H6 is formed triethylborane and ethene reacts with diborane. It forms ethyl bromine and it further reacts with ethylene to form diethylborane. तो ये एक सीरीज ऑफ रिएक्शन पहले एथिल बोरेन बनता है फिर ये एथीन से रिएक्शन होता है तो डाईएथिल बोरेन बनता है उसके बाद फिर रिएक्शन होता है तो ट्राई एथिल बोरेन. Now example, this is triethylborane reacts with hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali. It forms ethyl alcohol and boric acid. When propene reacts with BH3 in THF, it forms tripropylborane. When it further reacts, this reacts with H2O2 in presence of alkali is formed propane 1-ol and boric acid. Now 2-methylpropene reacts with BH3 in THF or H2O2 in presence of alkali. It forms 2-methyl propane 1-ol. The overall hydroboration oxidation, which is in short is known as HBO process, occurs with the addition of water by anti-Markovnikov's rule. In this reaction, in this reaction, alcohol is obtained in excellent yield. Hydroboration method has entirely replaced peroxide initiated addition of HBr reaction for anti-Markovnikov's addition. Now, third method, hydrolysis of ester. Ester on hydrolysis by mineral acids or alkalis forms alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is the ester. Reacts with water in presence of alkali or acids. This forms acid and alcohol. Alcohols are generally prepared from naturally occurring esters by hydrolysis with aqueous alkali. This is known as saponification. Now, ester reacts with aqueous sodium hydroxide or water. It forms carboxylic acid. When reacts with NaOH, it forms sodium salt of an acid and alcohol. For example, ethyl acetate reacts with sodium hydroxide. It forms sodium acetate and ethanol. Now, fourth method, hydrolysis of ethers. Ethers, when heated with dilute sulfuric acid under pressure, are hydrolyzed to the corresponding alcohols. ROR, this is the ether, reacts with water in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. When heated, it forms alcohol, ROH, and two types of alcohol, ROH, R-OH. Now here diethyl ether, जब सेम होगा दोनों तरफ जो एल्किल ग्रुप है तब ये इस तरह से अल्कोहल बनेगा. When now diethyl ether reacts with sulfuric acid. When heated, it forms ethyl alcohol. दूसरे पोजीशन में अगर ये CH3OC2H5, दिस इज एथिल मेथिल ईथर, यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा है ये दिस इज CH3, छोटा करके दिखा सकते हैं. This is CH3OC2H5 reacts with HOH in presence of dilute sulfuric acid. When heated, it forms CH3OH and C2H5OH, two types of alcohol, any mixture of ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. Now, when reacts with ethyl phenyl ether, water reacts with ethyl phenyl ether, it forms ethyl alcohol and phenol. Now, fifth method, action of nitrous acid on primary amines. Alcohol are formed when primary amines are treated with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid किस तरह फॉर्म किया जाता है? सोडियम नाइट्राइट और HCl के रिएक्शन से, क्योंकि नाइट्रस एसिड खुद अनस्टेबल होता है. Now, 1 degree amine reacts with nitrous acid. It forms 1 degree alcohol and liberate nitrogen and H2. Now, ethylamine, this is 1 degree amine. इसका example है ये. Reacts with nitrous acid. It forms ethyl alcohol, nitrogen and H2. 1 degree amine, इसकी मैकेनिज्म इस तरह से है ये. नाइट्रस एसिड है ये और NaNO2 प्लस HCl के साथ रिएक्शन कराया जाता है, तो 1 degree alcohol प्लस नाइट्रोजन एंड वाटर. Isopropyl or secondary amine reacts with nitrous acid. It forms isopropyl alcohol. This is the secondary amine and same product NO2, N2 and H2. This is isobutyl amine, CH3CH, CH2NH2. Isobutyl amine reacts with nitrous acid. It forms tert-butyl alcohol. तो इस तरह से 1 degree, 2 degree और 3 degree अल्कोहल आइसो जो 1 degree एमीन से और सेकेंड डिग्री एमीन से मिलता है. नाउ बेंजिल एमीन C6H5CH2NH2 reacts with nitrous acid to forms benzyl alcohol NN2 and H2. Under similar conditions, methyl amine does not yield methyl alcohol only, But in excess of nitrous acid, the other product may be formed as methyl nitrite or dimethyl ether. Like this. This is methylamine reacts with excess of nitrous acid, is formed methyl nitrile, water and nitrogen, or methylamine reacts with excess of nitrous acid, is forms ईथर। तो दो तरह के प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं 3H2O2। तो एक्सेस जब होगा तो मेथिल नाइट्राइड बनेगा, और जब नॉर्मल होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, तब क्या बनेगा, डाई मेथिल ईथर and same product. This method is especially used for preparation of lower alcohols from the corresponding fatty acid, like this. Fatty acid reacts with ammonia to form ammonium salt. It heated to give amide. Amide reacts with bromine, water and KOH. It forms primary amine, and it heated with HNO2 to gives alcohol. The alcohol obtained consists of one carbon atom less than the fatty acids. Now, reduction of carbonyl compounds, including carboxylic acid and esters. The name of the reaction, reduction of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound जिसमें C double bond O group होता है. Aldehydes, ketones, acids and acid derivatives on reduction yield alcohols. A number of reducing agents like ZnHCl, NaC2, Na-C2H5OH, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium boron hydride can be used for this purpose. Aldehyde and ketone are also reduced to the corresponding alcohols by catalytic hydrogenation, that is addition of hydrogen with finally divided platinum, palladium, nickel or ruthenium. इसमें से अलग अलग सबका देखते हैं। पहला है बाउवर्ट ब्लैंक रिडक्शन, द रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट यूज्ड इन सोडियम एंड इथेनॉल. When in reduction, the reducing agent use sodium ethanol. The reaction is known as Bauwert blank reactions. The aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid derivatives etc. are reduced by nascent hydrogen into corresponding alcohols. Now, aldehyde, when reducted in presence of nickel, platinum, or palladium catalyst, it forms 1-degree alcohol. Now, ethanol or acetaldehyde, when reducted in presence of nickel or sodium and ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride or NaBH4, it forms ethanol. Ketone when reducted in presence of nickel or platinum, it forms 2-degree alcohol like this. For example, propanone, this is the acetone, reacts with nascent hydrogen in presence of these catalyst reducing agent. It forms propane 2-ol. Now, carboxylic acid, when reducted in presence of LiAlH4 or diborane or ether in acidic medium, it forms alcohol and water. For example, acetic acid reacts with nascent hydrogen in presence of these to form ethanol. Now, benzoic acid reacts with nascent hydrogen in presence of these catalysts. It forms benzyl alcohol and H2O. Now, ester, when reacts in nascent hydrogen in presence of sodium and ethyl alcohol or LiAlH4, it forms alcohol and secondary alcohol and primary alcohol. For example, ethyl ethanoate reacts with nascent hydrogen to form ethanol. Acid chloride, when reacts with nascent hydrogen, it forms RCH2OH. Now, reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, known as LAH, and L-lithium aluminum hydride. तो शार्ट में LAH और कंप्लीट नेम लिखते हैं LiAlH4. This is known as lithium aluminum hydride. It is a strong and better reducing agent for the conversion of carbonyl compounds into alcohol. Lithium aluminum hydride is soluble in ether, the common solvent, and it does not reduce the olefin linkage if present in the carbonyl compound. The LDAP alcohols are very good. Tertiary alcohol cannot be obtained by the reduction of carbonyl compounds. And NaBH4 also does not reduce olefinic linkage. Now aldehyde, unsaturated aldehyde है अगर इस तरह से when reacts with nascent hydrogen in presence of NaBH4 or LiAlH4, it forms alcohol. This is unsaturated, known as unsaturated alcohol. Now, catalytic hydrogenation reduce carbon-carbon double bond as well as carbonyl group. This is acrolein reacts with nascent hydrogen. In presence of nickel catalyst, it forms this break तोड़ देता है double bond को and forms N-propyl alcohol. Now, addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde and ketones. Grignard reagents are alkyl or allyl magnesium halides, RMGX. The CMG bond in Grignard reagent is highly polar because carbon is electronegative and magnesium is electropositive. Due to polar nature of CMG, bond Grignard reagents serve as potential source of carbanion. They react with aldehyde, ketones, and ester to form monohydrate 1, 2, and 3 degree alcohol in two steps. The first step involves the nucleophilic attack of Grignard reagent to C double bond O group to form addition product. The second step involves the hydrolysis of the adduct with water or preferably with dilute acid or aqueous ammonium chloride solution to yield an alcohol like this. मेरे ख्याल से इसको बड़ा ही कर लिया जाए. Yes. दिस इज एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ ग्रुप होता है जिसमें कार्बन पे पार्शियली माइन प्लस और ऑक्सीजन पे पार्शियली माइनस होगा क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव देन कार्बन. और हियर RMgX यहाँ पे माइनस होगा यानी कि ये क्या बनाएगा कार्बेनाइन. ड्राई ईथर के प्रेजेंस में दोनों का रिएक्शन होता है तो पहले एडिशन प्रोडक्ट बनेगा. इट व्हेन हाइड्रोलाइज और इट on hydrolysis gives alcohol and hydroxy magnesium halide. अब इस तरह से प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी अल्कोहल बनाएंगे. इससे प्राइमरी अल्कोहल्स आर obtained when Grignard reagent reacts with oxygen or formaldehyde or ethylene oxide. The alcohol has same carbon atom as present in the alkyl group of Grignard reagent. Now reaction of with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent. In presence of dry ethyl is formed adduct, and when hydrolysis takes place, it forms 1 degree alcohol and hydroxy magnesium halide. Now formaldehyde reacts with अब ये एथिल मैग्नीशियम बोरोमाइड के साथ रिएक्शन हो रहा है तो ये एडिशन प्रोडक्ट बना. यहाँ पे OMgX यानी जुड़ गया और इसकी R यहाँ पे CH2CH3. अब इसकी हाइड्रोलिसिस करने पे क्या बनता है प्रोपेन 1 ऑल एंड मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड. The alcohol has 1 carbon atom more than the alkyl group of the Grignard reagent. Second reaction, this is ethylene oxide or oxyrain. This is the यहाँ पे कार्बन पे पार्शियल पॉजिटिव और इस पे पार्शियल निगेटिव चार्ज होगा. इट रिएक्ट्स विद ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट. यहाँ पे R पे माइनस होगा और इस पे प्लस. दोनों के रिएक्शन पे एडक्ट बनेगा इस तरह से. फिर हाइड्रोलिसिस होने पे 1 डिग्री अल्कोहल एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट. नाउ एथिलीन ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट्स विद ethyl magnesium. This is ethylene oxide. reacts with ethyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether, it forms addition product which on hydrolysis gives butyl alcohol. The alcohol has two carbon atoms more than alkyl group of the Grignard reagent. Now, ethylene oxide is reacts with phenyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether is formed first addition product, and on hydrolysis it gives 2-phenyl ethanol. Now secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol are obtained when Grignard reagent reacts with an aldehyde other than formaldehyde. फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड के अलावा और दूसरे एल्डिहाइड से जब रिएक्शन होगा ग्रिग्नार्ड reagent का तो सेकेंडरी एल्कोहल फॉर्म होगा. एल्डिहाइड reacts with Grignard reagent, it forms addition product. On hydrolysis, this gives secondary alcohol or 2-degree alcohol and this product. Now acetaldehyde स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह से होगा CH3MgI इसके रिएक्शन होगा तो ये एडिशन प्रोडक्ट बन गया. And on hydrolysis gives propane to all. This is isopropyl alcohol and magnesium hydrogen hydroxyiodide. Now secondary alcohol can also be obtained when Grignard reagents reacts with formic ester. The 2 moles of Grignard reagent reacts करेगा formic ester से, then एसेट हमको अल्कोहल मिलेगा. पहले एथिल एग्जांपल एथिल फॉर्मेट reacts with Grignard reagent. It presence of dry ether, it forms acetaldehyde first and magnesium का ये addition product. Now acetaldehyde then reacts with again methyl magnesium bromide. तो 2 मोल ऑफ मेथिल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड हो गया. ये जो यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट बना ये इससे फिर से रिएक्शन करता है और बनाता है डक्ट और उसके बाद हाइड्रोलिसिस पे ये देता है प्रोपेन टू ऑल एंड मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्सी ब्रोमाइड. Now tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols are obtained when Grignard reagent reacts with ketones. This is ketones, this is Grignard reagents. तो ड्राई ईथर की प्रेजेंस पे एडिशन प्रोडक्ट बनता है जिसको जो हाइड्रोलिसिस पे टर्शियरी एल्कोहल देता है. फॉर एग्जांपल एसीटोन रिएक्ट्स विथ methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether, it forms addition product and on hydrolysis it gives 2-methyl propane to all. This is third butyl alcohol and this. Ester, RCOR dash, other than formic ester and acid chloride, RCOCl or anhydride. On treatment with Grignard reagent, first forms ketone, which then reacts with second molecule of Grignard reagent to form tertiary alcohol, containing at least 2 identical groups. This reaction is known as nucleophilic addition elimination. Now example, ethyl acetate. This is the ethyl acetate. Reacts with Grignard reagent. First is formed ethyl methyl ketone and this addition product, and then this ethyl methyl ketone, this is ethyl methyl ketone, reacts with another molecules of Grignard reagent. It forms, दोनों साथ में दिखाया है, पहले एडक्ट नहीं दिखाया है. तो पहले एडक्ट बनेगा एडिशन प्रोडक्ट, उसके बाद इसकी हाइड्रोलिसिस करने पे बनता है 2-methyl pentane 3 ऑल. इसी तरह एसिटिल क्लोराइड से रिएक्शन होगा फेनिल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड और फिर हाइड्रोलिसिस कराने पे 3-degree एल्कोहल बनेगा. नाउ ऑक्सो प्रोसेस हो जाता है ज़्यादा. ऑक्सो प्रोसेस या इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस है ये. दिस रिएक्शन इज also called carbonylation or hydroformylation. Alkenes reacts with carbon monoxide and hydrogen in presence of cobalt carbonyl or cobalt carbonyl chloride, that is COHCO4, as catalyst under high temperature and pressure to form aldehydes. These upon catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohol. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एथीन रिएक्शन इस तरह से होगा. एथीन रिएक्ट्स विथ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन in presence of this catalyst and high temperature and pressure. It forms propanol, and this propanol reduce in presence of nickel to form propane 1. All this is the industrial production or large scale production of alcohol. ना एथीन जो कि पेट्रोलियम से मिलती है, इसको स्टीम के साथ रिएक्शन कराते हैं फास्फोरिक एसिड की प्रेजेंस में 600 केल्विन पर. दिस रिएक्शन गिव्स इथेनॉल. दिस इज आल्सो इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस. नाउ प्रोपीन रिएक्ट्स विद कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. ये भी कहाँ से मिलती है हमें? पेट्रोलियम से. तो रिडक्शन होता है उसका इस कैटलिस्ट के प्रेजेंस में. तो क्या बनता है? दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इस तरह से, जिसका जब रिएक्शन हम जिंक और कॉपर मेटल के साथ जो मिक्स कॉपर मेटल और जिंक मेटल का मिक्सचर होता है एलॉय से कराते हैं, तो हमें ये कंपाउंड बनता है 2-methyl propane 1 ऑल. दिस इज द एल्कोहल. और जब रिडक्शन जिंक एंड कॉपर एलॉय, जिसमें कि जिंक ज़्यादा है, तब होगा, तब ये ब्यूटेन 1 ऑयल. इस तरह से दो प्रोडक्ट हमें इंडस्ट्रियली मिलते हैं. तो ये जनरल मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल हमने देखा. उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत हम जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एल्कोहल देख लेते हैं. बाकी केमिकल रिएक्शंस हम अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. तो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है एल्कोहल की? द लोअर मेंबर्स अप टू 11, यानी जिसमें कार्बन का नंबर एल्कोहल में 11 तक होगा, 11 are colorless. The lower members up to 11, C11 are colorless. Mobile liquids, higher members are wax-like solids. The lower members have a characteristic smell, this is alcoholic, and a burning taste, while solid members are almost colorless and tasteless. Alcohol are toxic substance. Methyl alcohol is highly toxic in nature, while ethyl alcohol is less toxic. Alcohol are natural substance. They are lighter than water. The first three members are highly miscible with water. However, the solubility in water decrease with rise of molecular mass. The solubility in water is due to hydrogen bonding. Groups OH group present both in alcohol and water are highly polarized. Like this. This is H2O. दिस इज ROH. तो हाइड्रोजन वाटर के ऑक्सीजन और एल्कोहल के हाइड्रोजन के बीच जिस तरह ये यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है. क्यों होती है? ये सारी चीज़ें मालूम है तुम्हें? एक कंपाउंड का जो ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव, मोर इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव एलिमेंट होगा, वो दूसरे इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल्स के इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एटम से इस तरह का बॉन्ड बनाते हैं, जिसको हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कहते हैं. नाउ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन वाटर एंड एल्कोहल. Alcohol can form hydrogen bond with water and break the hydrogen bond already existing between water molecules. Therefore, they are soluble in water. On the other hand, hydrocarbons cannot form hydrogen bond with water and hence are insoluble in water. The solubility of higher members in water is less. This can be explained in the following manner. The alcohol possesses both hydrophilic, that is water loving or water like OH group, and hydrophobic, that is water hating alkane like due to carbon chains. Moieties Thus, with increase in molecular mass, the hydrophobic part of the alcohol increase. This reduce their water solubility. Another interesting feature in this connection is that among the isomeric alcohol, the solubility increase with increase in branch. This can be attributed to decrease in relative volume of hydrophobic portion. Boiling point of alcohols increase gradually with increase of carbon chain. The difference between boiling points of two consecutive member is about 16 to 20 Kelvin like this. इस तरह से मेथिनॉल का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, उसके बाद ये 351, तो कितना डिफरेंस होता है 16 से 20 के बीच में, अगले मेंबर के बीच में, ये सामने है. Among isomeric alcohol, the boiling points are in the following order. प्राइमरी का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, फिर सेकेंडरी, फिर टर्शरी. इसी तरह ब्यूट 1-ऑल, इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सबसे ज़्यादा, फिर 2-मेथिल प्रोपेन 1-ऑल का उससे कम, फिर इसका ब्यूटेन 2-ऑल का और कम, 2-मेथिल प्रोपेन का और कम होगा. इस तरह से दिया हुआ है. इसका 391 है, उसके बाद 381, उसके बाद 373, फिर 350. द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिक्रीज विथ ब्रॉन्जिंग. The boiling points of alcohol are much higher as compared to the corresponding alkanes, ethers and haloalkanes. Like this compare कर सकते हो, compound this is propane. तो boiling point of alcohol 351, जबकि methoxymethane का 248, propane का 231 and chloromethane का 249. The reason for the higher boiling point than expected is due to intermolecular association of large number of molecules due to hydrogen bonding, as OH group is highly polarized. तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग के वजह से बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इसका ज़्यादा होता है. नो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज प्रेजेंट इन एल्केन्स, ईथर्स एंड एल्किल हैलाइड्स. Now lower alcohols form solid derivatives with certain metallic salt and are called alkolates like this. कॉपर सल्फेट एल्कोहल के साथ इस तरह से मेटालिक सॉल्ट बनाता है, जो क्या कहलाता है, एल्कोहलेट्स. एल्कोहलेट्स, तो ये कैल्शियम क्लोराइड मेथिल एल्कोहलेट्स हो जाएगा इस तरह से. फॉर दिस रीजन एल्कोहल्स कैन नॉट बी ड्राइड ओवर एनहाइड्रस कैल्शियम क्लोराइड. तो दीज आर द सम फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एल्कोहल. और मोस्टली इसमें क्या पढ़ा, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल. कॉमर्शियली किस तरह से बनाते हैं, इसके भी कई मेथड हमने यहाँ डिस्कस किए. उसके अलावा जब हम सेपरेट मेथिल एल्कोहल और एथिल एल्कोहल पे डिस्कस करेंगे तो कॉमर्शियल मेथड उसमें डिस्कस होगा. यहाँ पे हमने जनरल मेथड ही डिस्कस किया है. तो अगले क्लास में फिजिकल जो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज थी वो बताई इस क्लास में. अगले क्लास में तुम लोगों को रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ एल्कोहल एंड केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ एल्कोहल, इसके बारे में बताएंगे.